we are going to review the holiday collection and get ready with me cosmetics, and this is Vlogmas number 3. So this is the glitter lip mask. So this is Aurora, this is Rosebud, and this is Winter Solstice. This is also a limited edition. So ito yung mochi highlighter nila. I don't know what shade of this. And this is Lustrous. Then this is champagne also, but I'm gonna swatch Lustrous, and this is champagne. And this one, this is yung bronzer nila, this is Miami. Wow. Then this blush, I think this is Cherub. Then this is the bow highlighter nila. This is in the shade, I don't know what shade this is. Abracadabra. Ito talaga yung panalo na highlighter. Then this, you can use this as a body shimmer. Then palette, 4 shades. This is, I think this is Biscotti. This is Savoir. This is Biscotti. And I forgot what's this shade. This is another 2 shades. This shade is, basta, ito yung bagong shades ng kanilang shadow play palette. The blush is so cute. And this mochi highlighters gives me a big, super glow all throughout. And this highlighter is a body shimmer. Wow, I love the shade Abracadabra. And we are going to try the lip mask later on. Lip mask holiday collection ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics is available now on the market. Gusto ko yung nila, yung 6-pan palette nila. This is what I love. Very hourglass yung effect niya. And the lip mask. The lip mask, this is my favorite talaga because this is so holographic talaga all throughout. You need to try this right now. So this is Vlogmas number 2, the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Holiday Collection. Bye guys!